Hello everyone, today I have come to you with a magnificent website to share. This has come to me just right now while I was surfing the website online. So this site is called what is this called? Let me see. Just a moment. studio-product.com. Okay, so what I have known from this website, this is a product photography website and I really like the layouts here. I'm gonna share with you what I have seen here. Okay, you can see already that there are some products which are showing here in the landing banner. So you can see the rings previously was a sneaker. If I click here, we'll go in this section. We are dedicated to delivering high quality still and motion content specifically tailored for fashion. So it's basically their expertise in fashion photography, both in photography and motions. Okay, let's surf a little bit more. You can see here are the models, I believe. Here are their works. If I go little bit down, it's looking great, man. I really love it. Yeah. Wow, you can see a lot of models, lot of variations are here. A model with some ornaments, I believe. Oh, so much glittering. Okay, this is a long video. And objects, let's see. So this is the setup for product photography, and we develop and elaborate. You see, as a web designer, I would love some contrasts with the text. It's becoming really hard for me to read those texts as I am trying to read. So I would suggest them, whoever have designed their website, or at least if they see this video, they contact with them and tell them to what can I say, to show the text in a way so it becomes more friendlier to read, because ultimately the main reason of the text in the website to read. If it becomes hard, then it loses their main usability. Okay, here are some product samples. Okay, a nice class or nice presentation. Wow, I love it, I love it. Here are some ornaments. Wow, this one is looking both nice and a little bit, what can I say, nice. These photos are magnified so much. Okay, let's go below. Oh man, what a crocodile. Nice bag, nice captures. Okay, basically what we have seen that products on objects, and this is on models. So I get it. The previous one, these are products on models, and these are on objects. Okay, you get it? Okay, then let's see some of their projects here. Okay, these are their real projects, I believe. I'm looking for some wow things in their works. These are nice interactions with a pure white background and giving the products the colors. It's giving a good contrast. Yeah, I really love it. You see it? It's really giving a lot of contrast in the photo. Here, here it is. Wow, it's nice. Yeah, I think their works are really nice. If you want any product photography, you may contact with them. This is not a affiliate or something like that. I just came across the website and thought that let's share it with you guys. And again, the same suggestion, I would suggest them to actually consult with the designer or the developer to actually work on these things, because it becomes very much hard. Actually, I need a some magnifying glass to see this, and really hard. This is production digital capture. Okay, okay, so this is it from these websites. I hope I'll be able to come in front of you with some really cool websites in the near future. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye.